First, ensure your HP printer supports Wi-Fi and WPA3 security, aligning with T-Mobile's network standards. Most HP printers released after 2020 connect seamlessly. Power on the printer and put it into setup mode, either via the control panel or the HP Smart app. Access the printer's Wi-Fi settings and select your T-Mobile network. Enter the Wi-Fi password, which you can find on your T-Mobile gateway or in the T-Mobile app. Install the necessary HP drivers and software on your computer or smartphone for full functionality. Finally, run a test print to confirm everything's working correctly. If you encounter problems connecting your HP printer to T-Mobile home internet, start by checking the 5G signal strength using the T-Mobile app. Make sure the printer isn't too far from the gateway. Double-check that the Wi-Fi password is entered accurately. Outdated printer firmware is a common issue, so visit the HP support website to update it. Restarting the T-Mobile gateway often fixes connection problems. For authentication errors, especially in business environments, whitelist the printer's IP addresses in the gateway's admin panel. Consider using the HP Print Service app on Android devices to simplify the setup process. If issues continue, refer to HP support documentation or T-Mobile's user guides for additional help.